Welcome the our channel. Today we how to log into Looker detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser of choice. In the address bar, type in the Looker login URL. Press the enter key to navigate to the Looker login page. You will see fields for your email and password. In the email field, enter your registered email address. Next, move to the password field. Type in your password carefully. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. After entering your credentials, look for the Login button. Click on the Login button to proceed. You may be required to complete a two-factor authentication if enabled. Check your email or authentication app for a verification code. Enter the verification code in the prompted field. Once you've entered the code, click Verify. After successful authentication, you will be directed to the Looker homepage. Congratulations, you are now logged into Looker. You can start exploring your data and dashboards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.